Hey guys, it's me, Lindy, and today I'll be making Snuggles a full grown because I want to make a mega neon cat. Mega neon kitty. Look, I only got 2 neons. I got cherry and I got strawberry. So let's do this. Ooh, ooh, that girl's ugly, haha, with her ugly bandicoot. Huh. Oh no. Gift. I'm back. Okay, evil unicorn. Oh my god. What does she offer for it? Okay, Noi Bazins. Okay, you need a nap. Okay. Just a nap. Okay. Okay. Go sleep. Go to sleep. I'll show my face, guys. Oh. But if you guys are nice to enough, then just fly, especially fly ride. Okay, we'll have to accept. This is like over, but I would accept if she would accept. She's probably, yeah, I knew it. Yeah, hopes and dreams are made of sis. Who am I to disagree? Okay, let's save up for a couple of eggs. Eggs and stuff. Okay, I'll move you guys over here. Okay, I want to see how much money I have. So I have like 506 right now. So I could buy like a how much buy? I need to see if you want a dog. Okay. I'll trade you for that birthday. Okay, I'll trade him a bandicoot if I have a bandicoot. Yes, I have a lot. Bandy for a chocolate lab. Decline. Okay, I'll just move you guys here. Or like down here. Or like right here. I don't know. Crap. Oh, please don't. God. I have to put you guys right here because, should I just fool some people? Yeah, I should do some. That's $1. That's $3. KK. Let's put it in front for money. Cats for life. Clean. Haha. Cats for life. Decline. Set price. 20. Move you guys here. 20. Nice. I'm going to VIP. Oh, wait, seriously? Yes. I'm just gonna go get a hotel, guys. School or shower. Oh, and you're thirsty? Okay, I'll buy the cheapest lemonade. Okay, I'll block you guys, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, bye. Yes. speed. Okay, nice. There. And let's go to the... You're hungry. I'll let you do some school first. You gotta do some school work, okay? Or you are not going to be so smart. You're just gonna be a noob. So I'm gonna make you tricks. Sit. Sit. It'll look like you're sitting. Okay. Madam Gold. Wow, you are just to sit here. Sit. Oh my god. Oh my god. There, you sit. I'll teach you some schoolwork. Gold. What's 2 plus 2? What's 2 plus 2? What's 2 plus 2? What's 2 plus 2? Oh my god. What's 2 plus times 2 equals 2 times 2 equals what? You hate me? No, give me the toy. Since you did good, you deserve an apple because you are hungry. And then we'll go rent a hotel just for the night, okay? Just for me to take care of you. So let's go to a hotel. But I would have to use a fly pet. But we could just use the fastest vehicle. I just saw that girl with a golden dragon. That's so cool. Move! Oh my god. Ugh. Ugh, now I can't even get my thing. Noob. Daddy's money. Daddy's money. Copyrighted. Copyrighted. That couldn't get copyrighted. Haha. Beat the YouTube system. Is this for rent? Oh my god, yes. I want to park my thing real quick. Nice, just park it. Oh no, drop it. Daddy's money. Snuggles, do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Daddy's money. Daddy's money. What? We have to do parkour? Oh my god, you suck. Oh my god, you suck. Actually, hangout room. Ooh, nice. I'll rent this one. Nice. Daddy's money. Daddy's money. Copyrighted. Oh. Copyrighted. I want it. Daddy has it. That was funny. Come on, why can't? Okay. Yeah, they should have kept it on for like. Okay, I'll sleep here. Snuggles. Here. Drop hit. Tricks. Lie down. There. Nice. Taking a nap. Nice. Okay, I'm a throw. Wow, Snuggles, you're... I am awake and you are too tired. Just action to sit. Okay, come on. Okay, there's a bath. There's a shower, nice. Anything else? Let me just explore. So there's like, there's like a little pet room for you. Okay, we got a donut, we got grab tea. Where's the tea then? Close. You don't got tea. Wow. Daddy's morning. Copyrighted. It's just a catchy song. Okay, this sucks. This house sucks. Hi. Hi. Where did she go? Is she outside? Is she in here? My cat, my cat. Where is she? Oh my god. I got so excited I farted. Go sleep. Are they in here? Wow, I can't believe. Somebody paid me bucks. Ah! They just got scammed. Psych. They just paid for it, even though I just like accents. I'm sleeping in this thing. Okay, just one more task, I think. Then you'll be like a teen. Daddy's money. Hangout room. Wow. Very boring. Oh my god. So boring I farted. Oh my god. This place sucks. Oh, no door. Nice. Is it? It's just a strawberry ugly room. Well, Pablo, is he? Ooh, this is like the same. But instead, oh, how did you do that? Or is it just how it's made? A pink room, nice, sort of. Okay, you gotta take a bath. You stink. Take a midnight bath. Yes. Poop on the toilet. I didn't get my monies. Why? I should sit. Why can't I sit on the dang toilet? Now it's a glitch. Wow, now my cat is frozen in time. Drop pet. Wow. Oh my god. This game sucks. Snuggles. We gotta jump off the roof. So let me just. Is there any like fly? You know what? Let's just go die off the roof. Ride, fly. Oof. Oof. I'm gonna get to the very top. Let's get out. Snuggles. Oh my god. Snuggles. Cherry. How about Cherry? But I'll introduce you to the neons that I have. So we got Cherry that somebody gave to me. And we got Strawberry. Cute name, I know. And just Snuggles. We're gonna die off a roof, especially you. Let's go die! Is she seriously going to like get off the roof just for a boomerang? Of course she did. The last kitty. Daddy's money. Daddy's money. Daddy's money. Daddy's money. Copyrighted. 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 That's how you make a lost kitten. So now they're just like standing there, I guess. Like it's a cool hack. Like I don't know. Somebody didn't want this, so they just gave it to me. There's my cat. Oh my god, this server is full of lag. Oh my god, Snuggles, go fetch. We gotta go. Jay. I'm doing a video. Hello. I'm wreck. I'm wreck. I'm wreck. Nice. So, Joey. Nice. Look at me. See ya. See ya later. 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 Wait. Okay, Snuggles is about to be full grown until it goes best into the team. I have chat on right now, so if you guys didn't notice that. Wait, what? Ah! I want to be in the house. I want to be in the house. Sorry, Peep. Daddy's money. Okay. Let's just let you sit here and be a turd. Oh my god, thank you for not being a turd at the hospital. Oh my god, I have to sit here with you. God, Snuggles, why? Snuggles, why do I have to sit with you? Oh my god, team, thank you. Thank you for being a team. Now let's go. Daddy's money. Daddy's money. After I make like one more neon, I'm gonna have like so much money to get eggs. I like do a video. Here's a raw donut. Leaves my cat to sit there and starve. Yes, that's how you make your cat very slow. And get dunked in the water. Look at it. Come on, let's just have fun. Like the night, like we're going die young. Look at her dance. Look at her dance. Oof, oof. She's amazing. Help. Okay, first you gotta climb up this thing and go real fast. You get a hoverboard. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Robux. Daddy's money. Daddy's butthole. Daddy's bloody diarrhea. Daddy's bloody diarrhea. Just use this thing. Look at my go. Whoop. Oh my god, is this gonna work? Oh my god, this looks. I can leave my cat like it's like my cat going down the slide, but she's like falling instead. This is actually weird. I never tried this out. Like, it's fun. Either of those. Daddy's morning. Baking neon, mega neon cat. Ooh, cat. Her name's Cat. Daddy's money. Daddy's money. She's of course going to decline now. I just know it. Boop, doop. Like, a lot of people are gonna, like, pay for this. Because, like, it's the only lemonade stand because there's not a lot of players on the server. But I'm gonna, like, run it. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your lemonade. Lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade. Lemonade. Come get your fresh lemonade. Decline. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Come get your fresh lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Losers. They're like not even coming to my lemonade stand. They're like, nope. I'm like, can you come get my lemonade, please? Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Oh, you know, like the money video from Azzy? Oh my god, I loved that. It was like, Azzy. Well, it was just, like the thing that was saying Azzy, just was like yelling at her like Azzy. That was so stupid, guys. Okay, let's now just take care of our cat. YouTube generation as I drop my phone. I got Shibas that I really want to be full grown so I can make a neon Shiba and name it Mustard Sauce. Mustard Sauce. Holy macaroni and salsa. You're going to get those at Christmas. Like, you can't get them probably ever again. Okay, lemonade, 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 come get your fresh lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. I should do like more music videos. That'd be fun. Dot 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 dot. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Oh, da, 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 da. Oh, yeah, da, 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 da. Oh, yeah, da, 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 da. That's why I'm not sitting in the da, 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 yeah, da, da, yeah, da, da. Hey, yeah, da, da, yeah, da, da, yeah, da, da. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Where the lag starts. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Lemonade, lemonade, come get your fresh lemonade. Renegade, renegade, renegade. Oh, and a huge flex. Yeah. FR ride, fly. Oh my god, I'm trying to make a neon here. Duh. That's why I have a cat out. Luca, get out here, Luca. Time for school, of course it is. And you need a shower. Of course you do, Snuggles. I need some more money so I can get some more eggs. For a video. Until I get a legendary out of all eggs. Only if I get a legendary out of all eggs. Like, I really want a turtle so bad. Oh, that's why I made that turtle costume. That sucks. Okay. Yes, I need my cat to learn. Huh? After this cat, I need like 2 more cats grown. So, bounce. 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 Bounce like a kitty cat. Bounce like a kitty cat. They're like being mean to me, so just got a huge flex on them. Tags ride. Oh my god. Oh my god, the devil's number of money. 666. That happened to my friend. I mean my cousin. Oh my god. That is so creepy. That's like literally the most creepiest. Here is a giraffe. Me not doing that. No. No. Oh my god, did he, what? Did he really just scam? Did you scam? I'm like watching this, like, look, I'm just pretending I don't see them. Check. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so mean. Oh my god. Oh, I hate scammers. Ugh, I want to help her. But I think she has like a bunch of legendary pets I don't have. I only have like 2 legendaries. See, I have like 2 legendaries. Wow, I used to have a unicorn. But now I don't. Like, I traded it for an FR koala, and then I traded that FR koala. Glaze. No, I tried my unicorn as well, and that crap. I miss Glaze. She was a good pet. I used to like have her out all the time, like every single time. She was my favorite pet. Great, this is locked. Oh my god, now I have to. You know what? Bike. I have a pink bike. Matches my pants. Bike. Oh my god. Of course, all these houses are locked. Probably this is yep, it's a noob's house. So I'm gonna barge in and take a dump on the. This is actually a really nice house. Like, sort of nice. Like, they'll probably like see me like, huh. She has Robux. Okay, could you be my family? Can you be my wife? Can be my boyfriend? But I am not a guy. I swear I'm just a girl with really short hair. So yeah, don't judge. Oh my god, why did they put pianos right here? So you can like be hidden while you're like playing piano. This idea is kind of funny, but like, you could eat off the roof. Oh my god, this is horrifying. Look at the cat. Oh my god. That's so funny. Caught me. sitting here on the couch chilling. I gotta go pee. Guys. But I can't because this thing is locked. So yeah. And plus I'm doing a video, so you guys don't want to hear me pee. So duh. I see what people, but I am going to do like a giveaway. Okay, where is it? Okay, this. Actually, no, I'm gonna give it to Kara, but if I buy other one, I'm gonna do a giveaway on something soon. Like I have to, or I'm just gonna be a dumb, useless YouTuber. I could do a giveaway on bike, but that would be like. He did not just see me. The guy like hide in here. Does he even know how to lock his house? God. Me. Plays pig. My cat's in there! They just flung me and my cat is in there. Oh my god, you are so mean. Ugh. Snuggles! Ugh. Now I'm just gonna go home without Snuggles. Snuggles. Really? You gotta be everywhere? You stupid cat. You don't even know what 2 times 2 is. Hey, don't run me over. Buttercup lover. Create. Invite. Decline. Yeah. Now we be in the house. Okay. Buttercup, look. You left. Invite. You left. Why? 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 Look at my house. 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 Come on, let's go. Get ready to explore. There's so much to do. Little lads dance. But I could just steal her. Oh my god, I'll steal you again. Haha. Ooh, the party! I have arrived. Aurora. Haha. Waiting area. This is the best house. Yes. Yes. Shut your close your mouth. Changing. Invite to family. Dun. I'm stuck in the middle and I'm just about to get copyrighted. I love that song. Jared, oh my god, that unicorn's hungry. I want to get her unicorn. Can I just like scam her unicorn? Lovely. Can I please? Blue bar cup, can I please join the family? Well, my cat's hungry, so can I have sandwich. Eat the sandwich. Eat the sandwich. Eat the sandwich. Eat the sandwich. Well, that's it. Well, what you doing with that? Woo! What you doing with that? Like making you happy. Do. Please take it. What is it? Caught me. No. They were so mean. Ugh. Did you guys see that? They were so mean. Sometimes I be quiet in my videos because some people are gonna be like, oh, she's just a noob, and it's just mean. That's why I be quiet. Sometimes also outside because sometimes I just be quiet on Roblox. And I don't want anybody to hear me. Because they're so mean. I'm gonna report them. Maybe. I forgot their username. Who cares about it? Great, now I'm stuck. I'm flying at least. Huh. Again. They were so mean, guys. Like, I hated them. Plus, these are like 600 Robux. These are like really hard to get. These cost like 300 Robux. This costs like 450 Robux. I don't know why I didn't flex that. These aren't even in the game anymore. These are stinking adorable. And these, oh my god, Jelly Bean. You have to get them like every Easter. Like, bruh. Why were they so mean? Oh my god, I hate people. Hug. Why you gotta be so rude? I'm just a Roblox being too. That couldn't get copyrighted because different words, you idiot. Oh, take that, YouTube. Yes, haha. That's queen. Why you gotta be so rude? I'm just a Roblox player too. Everybody's the same. Everybody's poor. Sometimes also. Did somebody steal my cat? You gotta be so rude. I'm just a Roblox human too. Do you know that I'm sad now? I just want to be alone. Yeah. Why you gotta be so rude? I want to sit on a lily pad too. Okay, that's gonna get copyrighted. Oh no. Oh yeah, it is because it's from Ronald and Karina. Wow. A dog. Haha. 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 Oof. Oof. I'm more lucky than you. Griffin is like worth a kitsune. Like, that's good actually, so yeah. I'll collect my monies from my kitsune. No, not you, Roxy. You are so dumb. Oh, if you're so lucky, then how do I have this thing? Fly. Natural, that's a dumb. Oh, and I have a bee, so. Ugly. Oh my god. Albert. Wait. I watch Albert too. I watch Albert too. Wait. I watch Albert too. I watch Albert too. Stop in Albert's screaming voice. Screaming voice. Wait, stop and scream in Albert's screaming voice. No. That was like a huge flex. Of Albert's screaming voice. It's like I don't. He's just like. He's just like, oh, my favorite cat thingy. Oh, I want to make a mega neon cat. Just gotta run away forever. I just want to go to school. Don't come after after me fall. Why didn't I do like a huge flex on this? Just the way she's coming. No, she's not. Of course she's not. Wait, she's not. Of course she's not. Oh crap. Oh crap. I think I'm stuck. They were so mean, guys. Oh my god. I just said haha and I'm like, oh, you're so lucky. You're so lucky. Huh? He doesn't even know how to spell thanks. Eat cat. Okay. Okay. Why gotta be so rude? I'm just a human being too. Why you gotta be so rude? I'm just a person too. Okay, get down. Stay humble. Sit down. Stay humble. Sit down. Let's do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces on the ground. By the snuggles. 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 Uggles. Snuggles. Woo! Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. No. So every that was so stupid. Okay, you're hungry, of course you are. I don't got any food. You just want some food. You don't want no water. Da 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 da. Oh, Kara's back. Okay. Hey, Kara.
Hey.
What? I'm still doing a video.
So what? You come in, you shut the door.
Okay.
All right. Anyway.
Sometimes I forget.
We were outside playing in that doghouse. And it was just like a doghouse with a flat roof on it. It was really primitive doghouse. And there's like a sheep.
Oh my god, my dad sucks. So good. Oh my god, don't tell me. Wait, Snuggles, why did you say your dad sucks? I heard you whisper that. Sorry, I don't know what voice to put her in. Plus, her dad was just right there. It's a banana car. That's a dog named Lola. Yes, but he doesn't know how to. It's lake, but he like misspells it Lola, and I'm like, bruh. Oh, just want attention. I don't want your heart. I don't want your heart. I just want attention. I just want your heart. That's all I want to do. No fire. Please. Please. Could you just invite me to your dang family? Can I please be in your family? Please. Please. Down. Please, 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 oh, please. Oh, please, oh, please. KD foreground hosting. No, I hate them. God, everybody hates me. Oh my God, I have a family, bruh. Like, everybody does, like, usually everybody wants to be my family. But now, like, they're like, no, coronavirus. But if you did it, if you were in my family, you wouldn't get adopt me coronavirus. Bruh. Oh my God, people just suck. Hey Kara.
Yeah.
I'm doing a video right now, and it's a very long video of growing up my.
You're supposed to do.
Okay. And I'm doing like a video right now, and I'm trying to grow up my cat all the way. So and save up money. So.
Oh my God.
What's it?
It's a miniature fish tank.
For what?
For fish.
We're getting fish?
I don't know. I gotta
for like
make
a beta
sure.
fish.
Oh.
We can get other fish. It gets bigger than that.
Yeah. Okay.
Damn it.
But Kara, can you join my video?
Throw an alpha fish in there if you want.
Why?
Yeah, I get it.
Jokes. I hope you.
Thank you.
Okay, just put in this pink card that Spike gave to me. It's very nice and it's very expensive. Actually, well, so way back, like I was a little bit poor because I needed new pets. I'm like, I need new pets. So I went out acting like I'm poor. Then somebody's like, oh, you can be my family. And I'm like, okay. And then go drive my car. And I'm like, okay. And then she just left the
Can we
server.
fill it with water before we buy anything else for it? Just to make sure.
Yeah, let me see it. Ooh, nice.
Cute, huh?
Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys home next. Goodbye.